bitch, I'm a bad boss bitch. Reckless, unapologetic. You took me down, left my side, now you're coming back. So stupid.
Guys, I'm about to go and wash my hair, but first I'll put on some water and then I'll try to detangle. You see the way it's frizzy. It's frizzy and it's so matted. Just see. So I'll just try to put on some water and then I try kutoa easy and see how it goes before I go into washing it. I have a lot of dandruff. I don't know what I used that I don't normally use, that it has given me these things. I've never had it. My scalp is normally clean and not this flaky. So I don't know what happened this time round. But I'll just wash. I'll just put on water and then I come wash. Is it only me or during cold seasons the lips, they get so dry? Guys, let me go put on some water and try kufanya hivi and then I'll come back and show you how it goes. So guys, I went ahead and tried to detangle as much as I could, and here I am back. I have just done some twists here and I'll just go ahead and wash it, but I won't be going with you to wash because my washroom, it's not that perfect. It's small, the light is not good, and again we don't have a shower head, so it will be a struggle for me to wash and at the same time I am recording this. So I'll just go ahead, wash it, and then I come and apply whatever I'll be applying here with you. So on today's wash I'll be using this Siri coconut. I've never used this before. I normally use Miadi, but we have divorced. Miadi has been drying my hair so bad after wash, and it gets so bad until I feared. Now I decided to try something new. Last weekend I was working in promotion jobs and I met this lady. She has very good hair, so I was just asking them to recommend something for me because my hair is breaking, as I told you guys last time, and she told me to use a deep conditioner, and she recommended this shampoo because it has coconut. She said products with coconut for hair, they're not so drying, so I should try that and see how it goes with my hair. And I'll be using this deep conditioner. This is Mikala hair mayonnaise. So I picked this bigger container because the smaller one was so small and I have a lot of hair, so I don't know if it could be enough. So I decided to just pick this once and for all and try to use it. I've been treating my hair once in a while, but just using the DIY, whatever's DIY. I just mix avocado, eggs and shea butter, and then I do. But she told me to deep condition. It will try to minimize the breakage. So that's what I'm going to do today. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead, wash it, and then I'll come here and apply this with you guys and see how this thing goes. If it goes well, I'll just be here to review it. I was using their shampoo too, but I didn't like it. So let's try and use this. Maybe I will love it and see how it goes. Yeah, so I'll catch you up after I have already washed my hair. Yep. Ciao. This is how it looks. I almost licked my hands. I thought it looks like ice cream. It looks yummy. I almost licked. And it smells nice. So just take a generous amount and apply from your roots. To your ends. And then we'll just twist it. So this is it, and it says after applying you should cover it with a plastic cup or a hot towel. You can use anything plastic if you don't have those things, yeah, as long as ni plastic ama it's a hot whatever. And then you stay with it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes it says you wash with lukewarm water. You can wash with cold pia, but with this cold I am not doing that. I'll just use lukewarm water to wash it off after 15 minutes. So let's meet in 15 minutes. So guys, this is more than 15 minutes later. So I'm just going to rinse this out, and we see how kumeenda. I think at this point is where you now comb your hair, but I'm not a fan of comb, so I'll just wash and then retwist my hair and decide if tomorrow I'll go and try to blow dry it or I'll just continue living my life. So guys, I am done. Kuna kelele kunje ya mheshimiwa, but don't worry, I hope you hear me. So I am done and my hair feels so moisturized. It's not dry and it doesn't feel frizzy. It feels soft and I feel so clean. So on my scalp I'll be using this hair fertilizer. The first time I knew these things, they were about 75 bob, but when I bought it this time round, I bought it at 315 shillings. So she recommended this. I try to apply where I have breakage and I see if it can change. Yes, so on my hair I'll be using coconut oil, and that's... Hello guys, thank you if you have watched this far. So I just muted that part because I realized there was a music behind that mheshimiwa thing and I could have been copyrighted for that, but I was just saying if you like the video and you haven't subscribed, please do so, like and comment. And also I was just explaining how my poor decisions also imechangia for my hair breakage. Yeah, that's it. I won't just say that it's breastfeeding that has been breaking my hair, all that, because it's growing, it's really growing, but again I'm not retaining that length because of my poor whatever. I'm not good in routine, so I think that's what is affecting me. You see, the last time it was around here. So you see, this is growth because I am down my chin and it was at my lips the last time I measured my hair. So I will say it's not breastfeeding pekee that imechangia, ni my poor decisions. I have neglected my hair for so long. So I'll just go ahead and do twists on my hair, and then I'll apply that on my scalp, and then on my hair coconut oil, and that's it. Until next time guys, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment if you like this video. Bye bye.